Hello everybody, it's David here, Ireland Virtual Tours, and you're very welcome to this video. And what we're going to do is, in Ireland obviously, and what we're going to do is, it is in fact for people that are staying in the Dublin area and would like to get out of the city for a day and have a good time basically. And it's taking a trip out to Sandyford or Stepaside area, this area here, and the ultimate goal would be to take a hike up to the fairycastle. It's about 4,000 or 5,000 year old cairn. Okay, and what you would do is you'd take the car and drive it out towards Stepaside, and you would turn off at the Sandyford Cross, turn right up Blackglen Road, and then you would take the second left and follow the sign up to Ticknock Forest. And if we show you here, we go down a little bit closer, you can come into the area here and you can actually park fairly close to where you'd be actually going, all right, and where you'd be visiting. So just want to down here and just show you just around the corner and go up here. It's all a one-way system, which you'll be relieved to hear, and you can park anywhere along here on the left hand side. There's a car there already, and then you can park it in parallel, park it there. I don't know why this lad is as far away as normally you would park it parallel there, and you get out of the car, take a nice image of the Dublin city, the scape of Dublin city, and then you'd follow this route here, up here, and you'd follow up that route there. Now, let's see where we can go. So we follow the route up to the fairycastle itself. So from where we park, we go up along here, and then we go along here, and then along here. It's a nice little area, and then follow up the side of the forest and up along to here, and then we go over to the fairycastle itself. Now, we can't go down to it, unfortunately, but believe you me, there is a cairn there. You can see the cairn there now, right? And it's about 5,000 years old, and it's well worth the visit. Okay, and then on the way back, you come down this way, and then down the side of the forest, and then back in and follow down and come over back over here. You come down this way, maybe to the forest as well, and pick up your car about here, and then off you go back into the city. But before that, what I would say to you to do is get in your car, come out back to Blackglen Road, okay, over here, and then take a trip back. That's down to Sandyford, and then head on out on the main road, okay, to Stepaside. Now, what to do in Stepaside? There is a crossroads here that is traffic light. Get into the outside lane here, the right-hand lane, and turn right. And you'll be going up a road here that is very steep. The hill is very, very steep. And then you come up and meet a larger road up here. Might be careful because the road is very, very steep. Now, you follow on this road and keep it going. And eventually, you will get to a place called Glencullen. Okay? And what you're going to do at Glencullen is you are going to turn left, and you're going to, I would go down here and park in this area here, and then walk your way back over to here, because you're going to visit, while you're in the area, a fantastic place called Johnny Fox's Pub. And you're overlooking the Sugarloaf, and that's the little Sugarloaf, and then the bigger Sugarloaf is there. You see it better from where you're parked over here. But this is the pub here, Johnny Fox's. It's a magnificent place to go and visit. especially during the summer. You can come up now. Anybody who is driving, the driver does not drink the alcohol. What the driver does, he or she can drink a non-alcoholic beverage. It's like a cup of coffee or even a Guinness Zero. They have Guinness Zeros now as well, and they have different alcoholic drinks. Okay, so go in there. Johnny Fox's, great place. And if you have time, get on the Johnny Fox's website, johnnyfoxes.ie, I think it is, and go and book yourself a table and have yourself a bit of food. The food is absolutely superb here. It's really, really excellent. It really, really is fantastic food. All right. So there it is. I'm not going to hold you any longer. We've been going over 5 minutes. So the fairy fort, fairycastle as they call it, up at Ticknock is a fantastic little hike for you. The whole hike will take you about an hour to an hour and a half. It's really, really nice. Not for the infirm, I would say. You have to be reasonably fit to do it. But definitely worth the visit out into the country and get yourself a little bit of country air and get the appetite going for Johnny Fox's. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please comment on our videos if you have anything to add or any questions. It's David here, Ireland Virtual Tours, heading off. Take care and all the best for now. See you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.